What is this majestic creature known for with its distinctive mane and a powerful roar? Lion. Can you identify this large cat with striking black stripes? Tiger. This massive herbivore is recognized for its long trunk and large ears. Elephant. With its long neck and distinctive spotted coat, do you recognize? Giraffe. A striped horse-like creature from Africa known for its distinctive black and white coat. Zebra. Recognize this large primate with a powerful build and a DNA close to humans. Gorilla. Can you name this intelligent mammal? Monkey. What is this bird that looks like it's wearing a tuxedo? Penguin.